Hi dear, Pi had between 20 and 25 million active users at that moment, whereas the entire crypto market had approximately 80 million active users over several thousand coins. Million active, engaged users. That's a considerable number of users before the mainnet even goes live. We only put our time and attention into Pi, and in exchange, we receive tokens that, once they are transferred to the mainnet, will have real value depending on supply and demand. After launch, you can continue mine for free, but at that time it behaves just like any other asset. Anyone who has cryptocurrency at this time is in the lead. I'm sharing you many interesting Pi network related news items as part of the celebration, and we are also looking ahead to our shared future in particular. Hi dear, it's Crypto Report, your daily blog for Pi network update. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more update on pinetwork. Before further ado, let's get back to the video. The network has been expanding and changing at an amazing rate, reaching over 40 million engaged users who are dispersed over nearly every nation and area of the world. We have finally migrated to Mainnet. Using the inherent decentralized KYC solution for the Pi, the majority of the network can submit KYC identity verification, and over 1.2 million KYC pioneers have been passed over by Pi network. Pi mainnet migration has started. First of all, pioneers who successfully completed the Pi KYC identity verification process can now finish all the tasks on the mainnet checklist to permit the queuing of their Pi mobile transferable balance. For the transition to the mainnet blockchain contained, Pi balance is prepared to migrate to mainnet is a major achievement for the community. Through supporting the network's expansion, inclusion, security, decentralization, utility, stability, and durability, Pi network has worked to increase cryptocurrency accessibility by enabling pioneers to mine Pi on their phones for free using fiat currency. Pi balance's mainnet migration advances the network's decentralization efforts and brings it closer to its goal of creating an ecosystem where pioneers interact with more Pi applications, use cases, and utilities. Importantly, keep in mind that the mainnet's current enclosed period is specifically made to let the community concentrate on building utilities and bootstrapping the ecosystem without any outside interference, while allowing millions of pioneers to finish their KYC and transfer their Pi to the mainnet. The Pi wallet has also been updated as part of Pi network's product support for the mainnet migration. In addition to enabling mainnet transactions for pioneers, this version has an enhanced user interface designed specifically for pioneers, allowing them to view their lockups on the blockchain, track the progress of their mainnet migrations, and send and receive Pi using other pioneers' public wallet addresses on the mainnet blockchain. We can't wait to test out the wallet's capabilities. It is a very tough and expensive challenge to KYC a large and widely dispersed network like Pi, validating the identification of millions of participants from over 230 countries and regions, holding various sorts of ID documents in various languages. One of the native KYC options available today is cost-free for all members. Pi ecosystem's operation is a native, decentralized community where work is traded and genuine value is produced without the use of fiat money. With KYC, we hope to create an application ecosystem that is driven by utilities and compliance with the law, with over 35 million engaged pioneers, dispersed throughout more than 230 nations and regions, as well as more than 20,000 Pi testnet nodes, as we previously reported. With more than 40 members now working on Pi network's technology, products, ecosystem, community, and other things, the core team has been steadily expanding. Additionally, there are more than 250 volunteer moderators in the Pi community who support pioneers in more than 40 languages in the Pi chat rooms. And thanks to everyone who has contributed to Pi network's development to this point. Pioneers are currently undergoing KYC and moving their balances to mainnet, thus the development of the enclosed mainnet, which will advance the Pi ecosystem, will be the main focus. Keep in mind what the current mainnet enclosed network period means. It gives the network time to verify user identities and migrate millions of pioneers to mainnet, while the community focuses on developing utilities and launching the ecosystem without being distracted by outside factors. This is done by developing and utilizing new Pi apps, transferring testnet apps to mainnet, and finishing and improving ecosystem infrastructure. When enough users have migrated, the mainnet SDK will be made available so that apps may be deployed on mainnet and tools can be made for pioneers. Pioneers will soon have access to some of these Pi apps, and additional Pi apps from the community will be added over time. Pi network is also excited to announce that they will be offering ongoing scalable online hackathons because the core team is transforming the Brainstorm app into an automated scalable hackathon system that includes procedures for blind peer review. For all pioneers, thank you once more for your ongoing commitment, support, and participation in our joint Pi journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more update on Pi network. Thank you and see you in the next one.